Welcome to Starship TV, Electromagnetic Nature of the Earth, Sun, and Universe. A Scientific Overview and Earth-Sun Interaction Report. 1. Introduction to Electromagnetism in the Universe. The universe is governed not only by gravity and motion, but also by electromagnetic forces, invisible fields that govern the behavior of charged particles and energy flows. From atoms to galaxies, electromagnetism is one of the four fundamental forces of nature, alongside gravity, strong nuclear, and weak nuclear forces, and it plays a key role in shaping the cosmos. 2. The Earth as an electromagnetic body. The Earth is not just a solid rock with molten layers, it functions as a giant electromagnetic generator. Key points. Earth's magnetic field geomagnetism, generated by the movement of molten iron and nickel in the outer core geodynamo effect. It creates a protective bubble called the magnetosphere. Ionosphere and atmospheric electricity. High up in the atmosphere, solar radiation ionizes gases, forming an electrically charged layer that interacts with both solar wind and cosmic rays. Telluric currents. Natural electric currents flow through Earth's crust and oceans, influenced by solar and lunar activity. Schumann resonance. The Earth resonates at very low electromagnetic frequencies, around 7.83 Hz, forming a constant background frequency. 3. The Sun as an electromagnetic engine. The Sun is more than just a source of heat and light. It's a magnetically dynamic star that constantly ejects plasma, charged particles, and magnetic fields into space. Key activities: solar wind, a continuous stream of charged particles; solar flares, sudden bursts of X-rays and energy; coronal mass ejections, CMEs, massive eruptions of solar plasma and magnetic field; sunspot cycles. Approximately every 11 years, the Sun's magnetic polarity reverses, causing more or fewer solar storms. 4. The universe, electric and magnetic. Many astrophysicists now acknowledge that electromagnetic plasma and cosmic magnetic fields shape the universe. Plasma universe theory proposes that over 99% of the visible universe is plasma, a state of matter influenced by electric and magnetic forces. Intergalactic magnetic fields. Magnetic fields have been observed across galaxies and in cosmic voids, guiding matter and energy. 5. How solar activity affects the Earth. A. Geomagnetic storms. When solar flares or CMEs hit Earth, they disturb the magnetosphere, producing geomagnetic storms. Impacts. Disruption of satellite and GPS systems. Ground-induced currents in power grids can cause blackouts. Auroras, northern and southern lights. B. Effects on Earth's tectonic systems. There is growing evidence that solar activity may influence tectonic and seismic activity. Possible mechanisms. Induced currents in Earth's crust. Solar storms induce electric currents in conductive layers of the crust and mantle, potentially increasing stress along fault lines. Ionospheric-lithospheric coupling. Electromagnetic changes in the ionosphere can affect the conductivity of rocks beneath the surface. Magnetohydrodynamic effects, MHD. Changes in magnetic pressure can subtly alter the flow of magma and tectonic motion. 6. Volcanic and earthquake activity. While mainstream science maintains that plate tectonics and internal pressure are primary causes of earthquakes and volcanoes, solar-induced EM forces may act as catalysts in triggering seismic events in magnetically active regions, volcanic eruptions during high solar flux periods, stronger correlations during solar maximum phases. Studies have found temporal links between strong solar events and increased earthquake activity days later, though causation is not universally accepted. 7. Additional electromagnetic phenomena affecting Earth. Cosmic rays, high-energy particles from supernovae and other galaxies, penetrate Earth's magnetic field and atmosphere, influencing cloud formation and possibly climate. Electromagnetic pulses, EMPs, natural or artificial bursts, can disrupt ecosystems, technology, and even human brainwaves. Biological effects. Earth's EM fields regulate circadian rhythms and brain activity. Solar storms have been correlated with increased heart attacks, migraines, and anxiety in sensitive individuals. 8. Human impact and technological implications. As we become increasingly reliant on electromagnetic technologies, understanding solar-terrestrial interactions is more critical than ever. Space weather prediction. Monitoring solar activity helps prevent satellite and power grid failures. Shielding technology and infrastructure need to be hardened against geomagnetic storms. Health monitoring. New fields of space weather medicine are emerging to study bioelectromagnetic effects. You're watching Starship TV. Like, comment, and subscribe if you find this content interesting. 9. Conclusion. The Earth, Sun, and Universe are fundamentally electromagnetic in nature. While gravity remains a dominant macro force, it is the invisible dynamic field of electromagnetism that regulates energy, motion, matter, and life. The Sun's electromagnetic activity plays a critical role not only in shaping Earth's magnetosphere and atmosphere, but potentially influences deeper geological systems like tectonic plates, volcanoes, and earthquakes. While more research is needed to fully understand these interactions, it is evident that the cosmos is far more connected, electrically and magnetically, than once thought.